Have you ever run really fast or felt a little nervous and noticed your heart going thump thump, thump thump?
It's like a tiny drum inside your chest, always beating.
But what is it actually doing? How does your heart pump blood all around your body?
Well, your heart is an amazing, super strong muscle about the size of your fist. It's like the most important pump in your whole body.
And its job is super important, to push blood everywhere. Why is blood so important?
Because it carries all the good stuff your body needs, like oxygen and nutrients, to every single cell. It also picks up waste that your body doesn't need anymore, like carbon dioxide, which you breathe out.
So, your heart is a very busy, very important worker.
Imagine your heart has 4 special rooms or chambers inside it.
2 rooms are at the top, and 2 are at the bottom.
Think of them like apartments, each with a special job.
The top 2 rooms are called arteries,
Atria, and the bottom 2 are called ventricles, ventricules.
There's a strong wall right down the middle of your heart, separating the left side from the right side. This will make sure that the blood that has picked up fresh oxygen doesn't mix with the blood that hasn't yet. Pretty clever, right? Each side of your heart has a specific task. The right side sends blood to your lungs, and the left side sends blood to the rest of your body. Now, let's follow the journey of a tiny drop of blood.
It's like a super important delivery service, traveling through a network of tubes called blood vessels. There are 3 main kinds of blood vessels: arteries, which carry blood away from your heart; veins, which carry blood back to your heart;
and tiny ones called capillaries, which are where the oxygen and nutrients actually get delivered to your cells and waste gets picked up. First, blood that has already delivered its oxygen and collected waste from your body comes back to your heart.
It's like a delivery truck returning to the depot, a little empty and needing a refill. This used blood, which is low in oxygen and high in carbon dioxide, enters the top right room of your heart, the right atrium. It arrives through large veins, like superhighways bringing everything back home. From the right atrium, this blood flows down into the bottom right room, the right ventricle.
There's a special door, called a valve, between these rooms. This valve opens to let blood through, then snaps shut to stop it from flowing backward.
It's like a one-way door, making sure the blood always moves forward.
Next, the right ventricle gives a big squeeze. This powerful push sends the blood out of the heart and on a journey to your lungs. Why the lungs?
Because that's where the blood goes to get fresh, super important oxygen. Your lungs are like a gas station for your blood, filling it up with fuel and letting go of that carbon dioxide waste.
Once the blood has picked up all that wonderful oxygen from your lungs, it's ready for its next big job. This oxygen-rich, fresh blood comes back to the heart, but this time it enters the top left room, the left atrium. See how the left and right sides work separately? This fresh blood has a different job now.
From the left atrium, the oxygen-rich blood flows down into the bottom left room, the left ventricle.
Again, there's another clever valve between these 2 rooms, making sure the blood only goes one way. Just like the previous valves, it opens and closes with precision to keep the blood moving in the right direction.
Now for the heart's biggest and most powerful squeeze. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber of your heart.
It has to be super strong, because its job is to pump this fresh, oxygen-filled blood to your entire body, to your brain, your fingers, your toes, everywhere.
With a powerful pump, the blood shoots out of your heart and travels through a huge artery called the aorta, which then branches into smaller and smaller arteries like roads leading to every single town and village in your body.
And guess what? This whole process, from blood coming in, getting oxygen, and then going out to your body, happens again and again, about 60 to 100 times every minute for kids your age. That's what you feel as your heartbeat. That's over 100,000 times a day. Your heart never takes a break, even when you're sleeping soundly. Here is a cool fact. The lub-dub sound you hear when you listen to your heart, maybe with a doctor's stethoscope, is actually the sound of those special valves opening and closing.
The first sound, lub, is when the valves between the atria and ventricles close.
The second sound, dub, is when the valves that led to your arteries close. It's your heart's very own unique rhythm.
Another amazing thing, your heart can pump around 5 liters of blood every minute when you are resting. That's like pumping a whole big soda bottle full of blood every minute.
When you're exercising, like running or playing, your heart works even harder and can pump 3 or 4 times that much blood to keep up with your body's energy needs.
One more fun fact, a single red blood cell can travel from your heart all the way around your body, and back to your heart in about 20 to 60 seconds.
That's faster than you can tie your shoes. So, why does all this matter to you?
Well, because your heart is working hard every second to keep you alive, energetic, and healthy. Without your heart pumping blood, your body wouldn't get the oxygen and nutrients it needs to run, play, learn, and grow strong. It's truly a superhero organ, keeping every part of you working perfectly.
Isn't your heart incredible?
It's a non-stop pump, keeping you going from your first day to every single day after.
Taking care of your heart means taking care of yourself. Eating healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables, staying active by playing and exercising, and getting enough rest helps your amazing heart keep doing its important job for a very long time.
Your heart is a real wonder. What how question do you want us to answer next?
Tell us in the comments below.